To make your archives take less disk space, you may want to compress them to their smallest form, and for that there are some compression tools. The popular utilities are gzip or bzip2. They're just encryption algorithms, and these days they don't make much difference in file sizes. Right now we have this etc backup.tar, and if we check the size of this file, so it's around, let's say, 20 megabytes. And I'm gonna compress this tar file. I'm gonna use first of all gzip. So gzip, then we are gonna provide the file itself, press enter. It's already compressed. Let's check lslr. As you see that it's already added another extension like .gz, so it's for gzip, so it means that it's a compressed file, and right now the size is 4.4 megabytes. So before it was 20 and we just compressed it, and the smallest form is 4.4. Now let's use bzip2. Let's see that if there are any difference or not. So but before that I'm gonna remove this etc. Let's create the tar file again. So we're gonna use cf options. By the way, you don't need to use this dash sign with tar command. You just can write this way, cf, and then we are gonna provide the file name. So let's say etc backup.tar and the directory. Press enter. Let's check. Okay, we have the tar file. It was 20 megabytes, and I'm gonna use bzip2 utility to compress that file. Press enter. Okay, it says bzip2 command not found because as default it's not installed. We're gonna install it. So let's use yum install bzip2. Okay, sorry, we have to use sudo, of course. Say yes. It's done. Let's check. Let's just compress the file. So bzip2 etc backup.tar, press enter. It is compressed. Let's do lslr. Now we have this bz2 extension. It's not really extension, but it's just something in the end of the file, and the size is 0.6, but with gzip it was 4.4, so we have 0.8 megabyte less here, but it's not that much big. Also, if you want to extract this compressed file, you can use bunzip2 for the bzip, and for the gzip you can use actually gunzip, but we already created compressed file using bzip, so let's use bunzip, and then just write your file name. Press enter. Let's do lslr. So now we have etc backup.tar, so now it is 20 megabytes. And then after that you can just use tar command to extract it, so tar xf, and you're gonna provide the file name. Press enter. Let's do ls. So it is here. We just extracted this tar file to this etc directory. This is all about using gzip and bzip utility, but there's another way to just use these compression tools. We can actually use them with tar command itself. We just need to provide one option. So I'm gonna use this tar file, and let's use, actually let's delete etc also. Now let's create the tar file. We're gonna use C option to create the tar file, and then for the gzip we're gonna use Z option, and then if for the file name let's do etc backup.tar, for example. Press enter. Sorry, but you have to provide the directory that you want to create archive of. So let's press enter now. Okay, permission denied because we have to use sudo here. Now it is done. If I do ls, so the file is created here. Let's do ls/hash to see that if it is compressed or not. As you see that it is gzip, that's why it is 4.4 megabytes. So it's already compressed. We can also use bzip utility. So we're going to use tar c. For the bzip, we are going to use j, and then f for the file name. Let's do etc backup, and for example bzip.tar, and let's press enter. Okay, we have to provide the directory, and also we need to use sudo here. Press enter, and now let's do ls/hash again. So we have two files. This is for the gzip and this is for the bzip. You can also easily extract them. For example, we are going to use tar command again. So x, let's say that we want to extract this gzip file. So we are going to use that option. Then f, then provide the file name. Press enter. It is done. We have etc directory here. Now let's remove this directory etc, and this time let's extract the other files, bzip files. So we are going to use j option, jf, and provide your file name. Press enter. If we do ls, so etc is here. As you see that it's very simple to create and extract the zip files. So that's pretty much it about compressed files.